Are you looking for the best cheap drones? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Holystone HS175D. Holystone HS175D is a feature-packed affordable drone. This drone has a 12MP 4K ultra-clear camera that has 120-degree wide angle and 90-degree adjustable feature that provides high-quality resolution pictures. It also has a GPS-assisted auto-return feature that allows the device to return back to the place where it took off from in case of lost control. This drone has a flight time of 46 minutes with the use of 2 batteries that are provided with the device. It also has some advanced features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode and 1-key takeoff and landing. It comes with a carrying case. Moreover, HS175D is a foldable drone which makes it portable for outdoor traveling. The exciting feature of this drone is that it has follow mode, where the drone will follow you automatically along the path that you set. It also has a circle fly feature in which the device flies around a specific object. This mode can give 360-degree view of the object or a person from an elevated angle. The device weighs 215 g, so you do not have to worry about getting it registered with the authorities. The price of this drone is $169.99. Number 2. Potensic T25 GPS Drone. This drone is widely used by videographers around the world. Despite having a 2K camera resolution for video recording, this record can give higher than HD quality results for videography. This drone has auto return feature and follow me feature that you can modify to select path on map from the Potensic mobile application. The waypoint feature on this drone lets you record footage for 2 different persons or scenes from a large area by selecting different paths from the map, so you do not have to fiddle on the controller for different paths. With the FPV feature of this drone, you can stream live footage on your smartphones and upload it to different social platforms directly. The LED lights under each rotor of this drone makes it suitable for nighttime flying. You can get extra propellers, extra propeller guards, chargers, extra landing gear and 2 batteries. This drone has a flight time of 30 minutes. Price of this drone is $212. Number 3. Holystone HS720E. Holystone 720E is another feature-packed drone that can fit you budget. This drone features a Sony camera lens that has video resolution of 4K and still resolution of 3840 x 2160p. HS720 is built with foldable arms and brushless motors with a built-in battery meter LED. HS720 has exceptional electronic image stabilization even without a camera gimbal. HS720 captures 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The drone offers a flight range of 1 kilometer. It has flight time of 46 minutes combines with the usage of the 2 batteries. Some additional features of this drone include altitude hold, optical flow, GPS-assessed return to home feature. It also has circling mode and follow me feature is a good deal within the pricing of this device. You can track the path of this drone by setting waypoints in the application for the drone to follow. It has safe flight mode where you can preset the range where you can controls of the device. The drone comes in a secure travel-friendly casing with port to store the 2 batteries. The price of this drone $239.99. Number 4. DJI Mini SE. DJI manufactures some of the most feature-packed professional-grade drones in the world. Every invention from this company is exceptional. DJI Mini SE is one of those inventions. This drone features a 12MP camera with video resolution 4K with 30 frames per second. It is a beginner-friendly drone that features 3-axis gimbal camera. It shoots rich cinematic-grade 2.7K videos. It has powerful controller that connects your smartphone with cable wires. It has a flight range of 3.5 kilometers and a flight time of 30 minutes. Mini SE supports auto return feature along with quick shots feature where drone and camera automatically takes beautiful still shots and does the work for you. It also has a landing sensor which lets the device to touch the ground gently. It also falls within the range of weight limitations, so you do not have to worry about the paperwork as well. The only limitation of this drone is that it is not available in many countries. You will have to pay import tax on the purchase if you decide to buy this drone. The price of this drone is $299.